What's up, guys? Today we'll talk about high-paying affiliate programs, and I would like to introduce you a company called kingfin.com. So they are promoting trading, forex trading, affiliate program. As you know, all financial programs are high-paying, and this program, if you register, if you go to promo for traders, you can generate your link as well. You can get link to mobile app. So for mobile app you can get link. For example, use my service SMS advert to send free messages to contacts, the mobile numbers. So for example, I can send let me give you an example. So I can generate link like this. Make money from home. Download app. And we will give promo codes, so I can generate promo codes. So I'll copy, use promo code, and now we can send messages like this. So if people will download the application, we will get $10 for every download. So messages sent. So this is just example of how you can promote programs here, how you can promote this program. So here you can get promo code. For mobile apps you can generate link, you can use universal link, and it will automatically redirect people. So it will check on a click, it will check what mobile version, OS version using, is it iOS or Android, and will redirect user automatically to download page. And as well, user will get promo code that will give him a bonus, and will get money from every install. As well, we can go to landings, and here is universal link for, of course you can generate link for every landing page like this, as you can see. Here is preview, how it looks like. So you can click, check, if you like, you can generate link for it. So this is how it looks like. And for every registration on a website you will also get high commission. So in average, from every user what will register, you'll get an average 100-300 euro. So high paying program, and it's worth to try to promote it. So a lot of promotion materials are here, even empty registration forms like this. You can create your own registration form, different sizes, different link, as you can see. So in my opinion, a great way to promote such program, especially if you can use Google Ads as well. So how to promote programs using Google Ads, I will leave link in the description. So make sure to check it out and start promoting high paying affiliate programs.